Hey y'all, welcome to My Sacred Savings, where we don't do broke, stressed, or confused anymore. I'm Patricia, and listen, surviving season is over. We're thriving now. One prayer, one plan, and one saved dollar at a time. Let's jump in. Hey y'all, thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate every single one of you who watches, comment, and supports this channel. Today is a cash stuffing video, but I want to be very transparent with you all because that's what we do here at My Sacred Savings. I originally planned to stuff $75, but life happened, and I had put some of that money somewhere else. And I just want to say this: adjusting your budget does not mean failure. This is real life budgeting. Sometimes a plan changes, and that's okay. The goal is still progress, not perfection. Today, we are stuffing $27 total. And I'm proud of this because every dollar has an assignment. So we're going to count. I like to start with the big bills at right 20, 25, 26, 27. It's all bent. Why is my money bent? Try to straighten it out a little bit. Like this stuff it out. Okay, and this is how we're breaking it down. Emergency fund is getting $20. Car maintenance is getting $5, and the $1 challenge is getting $2. And yes, I will be adding some new saving challenges very soon. I seen some things that are very cute, so we're gonna see. Just stay tuned for that because we're making saving fun and doable over here. Here's the trusty little binder. Let me try to move that out of the way. I hope you all can see this. Hold on 1 second, let's see. Okay, so first we're going to start with, you know what? First, we are going to start with the $1 saving challenge. Okay, and for that one, we are going to use pink. Okay, and we are saving $2. Ooh, ew. Now let me see, I got ink on me. Oh, let me get that off. Not coming off all the way. If you see pink on my hand, it's because of the Sharpie. Okay, so I'm adding the $2 to my saving challenge, my $1 challenge. These small challenges really add up, you guys, and I love seeing them grow over time. And I'm going to show you how. Okay, so all the other dollars that I stuffed, I put in the bank bag right here. So we're going to take this out, and we're going to add it to it and count. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and $31. See, when you even start with dollars, how it adds up. And as I said, and I keep saying it in every video, once it gets to 60, which is a safe 60, I'm going to stop counting. I'm just going to throw it in. Next, what I want to do is go ahead and, you guys, this doesn't work. I got it off of TikTok, but it was only 97 cents because I guess it didn't work. So I have change left from laundry and stuff, so I'm going to just go ahead and stuff that in there. What I'm going to do, you guys, since I use about I budget for about $50 in laundry. What I'm going to do at the beginning of the month is go and get $50 worth of quarters and use that as for my laundry money, and whatever is left, I'm going to just put it in a savings jar. Okay, so it's over there. Okay, so now what is going to be next is the car maintenance. Car maintenance, we are stuffing $5. Let me go ahead and color $5. Okay, so that's $5 added. To car maintenance. Car repairs come out of nowhere. And I've learned the hard way. Like I said before, that setting aside a little bit can help make a huge difference later. All right, and so last but not least, this category is so important, which is the emergency fund, because emergencies don't ask for permission. Even though this season has been tough, I'm still choosing to prioritize peace and preparedness. Like adding $20 brings me one step closer to stability, and that is what matters. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me color that first. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish coloring this, you guys. I need more storage on my phone, so my phone keep cutting off. So I just colored 20, and we're gonna add 20 to our saving challenge. If you are watching this and you're only able to save $5 or even just change, you are still winning. Please don't compare your journey to anyone else's highlight reel. This channel is about real numbers, real faith, and real progress. Also, thank you to everyone who supports my shop at mysacredsavings.com. Every purchase truly helps me to keep going and continue creating content like this. Thank you so much for spending time with me here at My Sacred Savings, where we don't do broke, stressed, or confused anymore. Remember, survivor season is done. No, we're thriving now. One prayer, one plan, and one saved dollar at a time. If this blessed you or boosted your budget, hit that like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. I'll see you in the next one.